Hi, so welcome back. So once you have got your stitches cast on using the long tail cast on method, which I showed in the previous video, I'm now going to show you how to do a simple knit stitch. So you need to hold the left hand needle with the stitches on in your left hand. Make sure your cast on bit is over there. And then you want to take the needle in your right hand. Now you place it underneath the first stitch, so you've got a bit like a cross. Then take the yarn in your right hand, take it around that needle. I'll do it really slowly for you. And then you want to take this needle underneath, through, and then off. So underneath, through, and then off. So I'll do that again. So you go underneath the stitch, so you can see the cross, and then you're taking this yarn underneath and over that back needle, down, through, and off. I'll do that again for you. So go in, round, down, through, and off. And you do that all the way down. I'm going to go nice and slow and show you each one. Now it's a bit fiddly when you first start holding the needle, but just try and keep them as steady as possible and try and hold them at the top. A lot of people hold them down here. That makes it incredibly hard to remove them about. So I'll do it again, in, round, and then this one you're using with your right hand, pulling it down a little bit, in and off. And I'll just complete these rows. Oh, you get quicker as you go, but the trick is just to make sure you're holding the wool with your fingers, and then you've got your first row knitted.